All right, let's look at the homework 2.3, problem number 7. So we want to find an equation of the normal line to this parabola, and that is parallel to the line x minus 3y equals 4. All right, so let's do that. All right, so the line we're looking for, the normal line we're looking for, is parallel to this line. So they're going to have the same slope. So let's find the slope. All right, from here, we can just subtract x from both sides. So you have negative 3y is equal to negative x plus 4. Right? Then we can just divide through by negative 3 so that we can isolate y. All right, so it's a negative x divided by negative 3 is 1/3 x. 4 divided by negative 3 would be negative 4/3. Right? But all we need is the slope. So you can see that slope is 1/3. So this is our m. All right. Then if this is the slope of the normal line, so which means that so slope. Oops. We know that the slope of a normal line at this point, which we don't know yet, is 1/3. Right? Which means that the slope of the tangent line at the same point would be, right, it's a negative reciprocal, so put the negative sign and take the reciprocal, so it's a negative 3. Right? So we know that the slope of the tangent line at the same point has to be negative 3. So the derivative at that point is going to be negative 3 as well. So we take the derivative of the parabola. We'll see that the derivative is going to be 2x, and derivative of negative 7x would be negative 7, and derivative of 4 is 0 since it's a constant. All right, so these two guys must be the same. So we set these guys equal to each other. So you have a 2x minus 7 has to be equal to negative 3, right? Then we can just add 7 to both sides. So you get 2x is equal to 7 plus negative 3 would be 4, right? Then we can just divide through by 2 to get the x value. So x is going to be equal to 2. 4 divided by 2. All right, so x value is 2. Then corresponding y value, you can just plug it into this guy. So we can just say, so that's going to give us a y value. Y is equal to, plug in 2. 2 squared is 4. And 2 times negative 7 would be negative 14. Right? And plus 4. Right, so this is going to be 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 14 would be negative 6. All right, so we know that the slope is 1/3, and the point is x1 is 2, and y1 is going to be negative 6. All right, so actually, so maybe I should call this guy. Let's see, maybe I'll use this. Call this guy x1 and call this guy y1. All right, so this therefore equation of the normal line would be y minus y1, which is negative 6, so plus 6 is equal to slope is 1/3 times quantity x minus x1, which is going to be 2. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so what we found was, let's say slope was 1/3. All right, then you have a quantity x minus 2, right? And there was plus 6 on the other side, so it's going to be minus 6, right? Let's see, let's check the answer by submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.